Can you imagine a future where robots not only perform simple tasks, but also recognize and remember objects in your home, just like a human would? A team of researchers is bringing us closer to that reality with an innovative project that uses artificial intelligence to enhance a robot's ability to identify and memorize objects. The inception of this project took place at the Intelligent Robotics and Vision Lab at the University of Texas at Dallas. The team developed a system that allows a robot to push objects multiple times, collecting a sequence of images. This sequence enables the system to segment all the objects until the robot recognizes them. This is a significant leap from previous methods that relied on a single push or grasp for the robot to learn the object. The team's groundbreaking research was presented at the Robotics, Science and Systems Conference in Daegu, South Korea. The conference is known for selecting papers based on their novelty, technical quality, potential impact, and clarity. The team, led by Dr. Yu Xiang, an assistant professor of computer science in the Eric Johnson School of Engineering and Computer Science, is working to help robots detect a wide variety of objects found in environments such as homes. Their goal is to enable robots to generalize or identify similar versions of common items such as water bottles that come in varied brands, shapes, or sizes. In Xiang's lab, a storage bin full of toy packages of common foods, such as spaghetti, ketchup, and carrots, are used to train the lab robot, named Ramp. Ramp is a Fetch Robotics mobile manipulator robot that stands about 4 feet tall on a round mobile platform. Ramp has a long mechanical arm with 7 joints and a square hand with 2 fingers to grasp objects. Xiang explains that robots learn to recognize items in a comparable way to how children learn to interact with toys. After pushing the object, the robot learns to recognize it. With that data, the team trains the AI model so the next time the robot sees the object, it does not need to push it again. By the second time it sees the object, it will just pick it up. This method, where the robot pushes each item 15 to 20 times, is a new approach. Previously, interactive perception methods involved fewer interactions. The potential future implications of this new AI technology are vast. As robots become more adept at recognizing and remembering objects, they could take on more complex tasks in our homes and workplaces. This could revolutionize the way we live and work, bringing us one step closer to a future where robots are an integral part of our daily lives.